Welcome to a new video of the Parts channel. Well, I'm going to make a short video answering a question that you have left me. Let's see if, when changing the flywheel, the dual mass, which could also be a monomass, you have to change the clutch. Let's see, the clutch is always changed. Okay, not only the clutch, of course, the whole assembly is changed, clutch, pressure plate and also the thrust bearing. Take advantage of the fact that the gearbox is disassembled to change these parts, because disassembling a gearbox, in labor, as it is quite expensive, that is why it is used, and also, secondly, because that clutch disc has already accepted the deformity, let's say, of the previous flywheel. Then if you put it in a new one, it will not work as it should. Because, I already said, that it has taken the deformity of the previous one, and also, as it is abrasive, because it will also in turn deform the surface of the flywheel that you put on a new one. Then basically for those reasons it is due they should change. Whenever the flywheel is changed, the clutch should be changed and the release bearing should also be changed, as I say. Because over time, with work, because that ends up also affecting its operation. And since it is disassembled, because it is used to change everything, well, here you have this short video. If it has been useful for you, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel.